I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice test question for you. It is based on Annuity's future value. You may have to rearrange the formula to get the result. The question is $250 is invested every 3 months at 5.2% per annum, compounded quarterly. How long will it take the investment to be at least 100,000? So that's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. So let's write down what is given to us. We have regular payments of $250. So R is equals to $250. Every 3 months this is invested. So we are talking about quarterly case, right? So we'll write quarterly case for this. Every 3 months. Rate of interest R is equals to 5.2% per annum. Now you need to find what is the interest rate in the compounding period, compounded quarterly. So I will be equals to 5.2% means over 100 and quarterly means 4. So we have to divide by 400, correct? To get the rate of interest compounded quarterly, right? So this is compounded quarterly. So let's calculate this value. It is 5.2 divided by 400, which is 0.013. Okay. How long will it take the investment to be at least 100,000? So how long means n is not known to us, and future value is equals to 100,000. Now let me correct you here. When we say how long, it means number of years, right? Now we are making payments of 250 4 times a year. So the number of years n will be 4 times n. So first we need to find the number of compounding periods. I should say, so I'm sorry, it will be n divided by 4. So number of compounding periods will be 4 times the number of years, because in 1 year you're going to have 4 compounding periods, right? So that's the whole concept. Now let's figure it out. So we'll use this formula and rearrange to find the value of n. Now future value is 100,000. R is 250. And we have 1 plus I is 0.013 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 0.013, right? So we can cross multiply. So we have 100,000 divided by 250 times 0.013 equals to 1.013 to the power of n minus 1. And we can bring this 1 to this side. So let me calculate this and then we'll add 1. Okay. So we have 100,000 divided by 250 equals to times 0.013 equals to, in decimals it is 5.2. So it is 5.2. That is the value of all this. We'll add 1 to this. Then we get, this is 1.013 to the power of n. So this was calculated to 5.2. So we added 1. So now we have 6.2 equals to 1.013 to the power of n. Now how do we find n? So one is systematic trial and error. The other one is take log both sides. So we'll do with the method of logarithms. We say log of 6.2 equals to log of 1.013 to the power of n, which could be written as n times log of 1.013, and that is log of 6.2. So from here we can find n as ratio of log of 6.2 divided by log of 1.013, right? So let's calculate this answer. So we have log of 6.2 divided by log of 1.013. That gives you a value of 141.26. So these are quarterly payments. So every year you make 4 of these, right? So number of years, let n be number of years. N is compounding periods, number of compounding periods, right? Which is 4 in a year. So we are going to divide this by 4. So 141.26 divided by 4, right? To get the answer. Okay. So let's divide this by 4 and we get 35.3. So we get 35.3. Now what is the meaning of 0.3? So it is 35 years and 0.3 means what? So we'll multiply 0.3 by 12 to get the number of months. So which is 3.6. So let's say 4 months, right? So it's all quarterly, so 4 months. So we can write this as 35 years and 4 months. So that is the answer. Okay. So that is how you should be doing it. So if you get answer in decimals, you should convert them into years and months and round them to the quarter. In this case, because we are doing quarterly investment, right? So only after the quarter, it is going to get the value, right? So that is how we can actually answer this question. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.